Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, May 12th, and we're looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, triple Qs. So, interestingly enough, prior to the CPI coming out yesterday, you had some short covering, then a number came out and the market tanked. And now this morning, it's the opposite. Prior to the PPIs, the market's reaching overnight lows, which would be yearly lows, but again, it's only on the overnight, which is in weak hands. But for now, they are pressing this market lower. My pre-market high right now is 394.24 in SPY. The pre-market low is 388.12. Now, I did give a wrong number yesterday. I thank you to one of my members that pointed that out to me. The afternoon rally high yesterday is 398.16. That was K's high. I gave J's high. So it's not 397.34. It's 398.16, just so you know. So we are $4 away from bear territory, at least in the pre-market in SPY, NES. Are we going to get into bear market territory? I would think it's a pretty good bet. The big question is, once we get there, how much acceleration we get. Do we get, look, I said yesterday this has been such an orderly sell-off. I would love to get some real panic into this market with 250 million shares on the day. First of all, it'll give you great opportunities on the short side to just ride the wave down. And again, I would not be looking for any longs at that point until you get at least some two-sided trade, which is at least 3 across. As far as the game plan, if we open below eyes low in the price probe, you can take a short. Again, a lot's going to be happening come 8:30. So if you're closer, if we gap low, but it's not that large a gap, you could definitely take a short and use either M's low, right, the day's low, or eyes low as you're out. Now that's a lot of heat. It's over $1 worth of heat. But again, nothing changes unless we get back above eyes low. If the gap is too large, again, I'll wait for more market-generated information. The next big target on the downside is the next monthly low of 371 and change, which I had pointed out on the chart. If in the next 75 minutes after the number, we open inside the day's range. Again, you have K, you'd be opening in balance in value, poor risk reward. You can take a short against K's high, but again, above it, once again, this market is extremely short. At some point, you can get a vicious short covering rally. So a lot of things are going to be changing between now and 9:30. Look at Q's and Russell. They're way into bad territory. I said the next destination triple Qs, I believe, was 155 and change. In Russell and Qs, their next big level is the 260, 265 level. So major issues in this market for now. And then on the chart, so here's the monthly. Next big level for SPY is 371.88 right here. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get there, but that's the progression right now. Right now, we're down the market. So these are the big targets that these traders are going to be looking for. Again, on the weekly, we pointed this out yesterday. It's the same level, 371.88. I put this line in here months ago. And then on the daily, we weren't getting a lot of distance away until late yesterday when we pushed lower. Now today we're attempting to even gap lower. So again, don't try to pick bottoms. Trade what the market is telling you. If you're not comfortable with that, sit it out. No trade is a trade also. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.